Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So what we're going to do today, we're going to decode some hex stuff here. So what I'm going to do, I've created a subroutine called Hex Decode. So first of all, I'm going to, oops, let's just move that up, make it look a little bit better. I'm going to print off, enter hex here. So this is where we enter the hex. Then we're going to get some user inputs, chomp, create a variable called hex string, assign it to standard input, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called decoded, assign it to pack. Here we're going to do the little H flag, and then the hex string that we entered. So this should decode the hex string. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to print scalar hex string, new line. We're going to print ASCII here and scalar decoded, and a new line. Okay, now all we have to do is run the program, which is going to be hex decode. Let's just save it. Just tidy that up a little bit there. Okay, let's run the program. What's happened here? Decoded. Explicit package name 15. Yeah, I made a little mistake, put that in caps. Forgot about the caps there. Decoded. Okay, that's better. Let's just save that and run it. Okay, so we're going to enter in the hex here, so I'm just going to enter some random hex in here. 4, 8, 6, 5, 6. C, I'll do a capital C there, and then 6, capital F, and 6, 4. Hit enter. And there you go. I nearly got hello, didn't I? I just missed out an L and added a D on the end. So there you go. So it's translated it into ASCII for you. So Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. And remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.